Attempt number 2. Yesterday's frustrations were frustrating. Today, less wind, much less wind. A little warmer. Sun's out, and I'm out a little earlier. So let's see if I get the jump on the deer this time. And hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. There's a deer. Back, left corner. I'm coming in the front right corner. She's just on the other side of that ridge, and I'm kind of wishing I didn't wear blue jeans. If I could get just a little bit closer. The weirdest thing. I think it's a buck, not a doe. Because a doe, I feel, would run off. This guy, he knows damn well I'm here. So I think maybe another 5 minutes, couple shots, couple clips. I'll zoom in. You'll see how comfortable he is. I'm shocked. Well, that went well. See, you don't even need a blind. Maybe sometimes it's just best to let them know you're there. I don't know. By the way, I got some good shots, and it's early. It's probably not even 9 a.m. yet, so I got a lot of day ahead of myself, and I could probably go fishing or take more pictures. I don't know. Thanks for watching. We didn't spook him this time. I'm back where I started. He's in the back corner of that field. Still, and he's watching me leave, which is good. He knows I'm out of his hair. He or she, it's hard to tell. That's exactly how I had hoped my morning would go. Deer redemption. I think I'm going to start looking for bear. I got a few spots I'm going to check out, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.